My name is Madan. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily run any open source large language model in our PC locally with very minimal effort. So guys, in this browser I have opened the URL ollama.com. So this Ollama is a very awesome project with the help of which we can easily run any large language models which are open source in our PC locally. So if you head over to this website and go to the GitHub link, then you will find the details about this project. This is really awesome project. It is mind-blowing. So to get started with this Ollama, we don't need much effort here. So first of all, we need to install this Ollama in our PC. So it is available in Mac OS, and it is also available in Windows as a preview version. You can also download it in Linux, and if you prefer to use Docker, then you can also do that in Docker. But in this case I'm going to install this in Mac OS. So guys, I have already installed this, downloaded this and installed it in my PC. So it is just the, if you head over to this download and then follow the instruction, then it is just you just need to follow the wizard. So nothing difficult here. So you can download it and install it easily. So once you download and install, then what you can do is that you have to open your terminal, and then in terminal what you can do is, let me clear my terminal first, and then if let's say, so if we head over to this list, then these are the list of the open large language models that this Ollama helps to run. So we have a Llama 2, Mistral, and we have other models as well. We have Gemma from the Google, so which is the open source version of Gemini. And so if you want to run Llama 2 locally, then this is all you have to do. You have to do OLLAMA Run Llama 2 command, and for the first time when you and download and install the OLLAMA, it will take some time. And then for the first time it might take some time, but after the first run it doesn't take much time. So let me run this. So I have already downloaded and installed the OLLAMA. So let me try to run the Llama 2 open source large language model. So what I have to do is OLLAMA Run Llama 2, and this is all we have to do. So it is definitely going to take some time, and it depends on the hardware of your PC. So it is taking some time for me. Okay, now it is ready to run the Llama 2 large language model in our PC locally. And the best part of this is that these open source large language models are free. We can use them free of cost, and we can tailor them as per our need, and that means we can fine tune them and we can use them without any cost. So now I can send any prompt here for the to the Llama 2, and Llama 2 will provide me the response. So let me ask one question. Let's say, how many countries are there in the world? Let me ask this question to the Llama 2. Now we should be getting response from Llama 2. So it has started giving the response. And it will provide the detailed response. So if you want to stop this, then you can just press Ctrl C, and yeah, so this is all. This is how easy to run any open source large language models with this Ollama. And this Ollama also provide us a way to query or send our prompt or questions to any large language model through the REST API, which we will be discussing in our future video. So one important thing that I would like to cover in this video is that we can create the model file in this by using this OLLAMA in our PC, and this model file provides us the capability to query the large language model that are tailored to our instruction, specific to our instruction. For instance, let's suppose we want to use this llama 2 as a language translator. So what we can do is that we can create a model file and then provide the instruction to it to only convert the, let's say we want to convert English to Hindi, then we can provide the instruction and tell it to convert only English to Hindi. So let's try this. So I have opened Visual Studio Code editor here, so I don't have to do much of the thing. Let me just copy this and paste it here in the Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you have to create the model file, and let me paste those things here. So from llama 2, so we are using the llama 2 and we are setting the parameter temperature value to 1, means the model is highly creative, and the value ranges from 0 to 1. So the important thing is that the system is the important thing. Now we can provide our instruction. So let's say you are expert in CNB converting English language to Hindi language, and remember, do not generate any other content. Give me only translation from English to Hindi. So this is my instruction. Now I need to save it, and then let's open the terminal, and let's close this. In order to close this, we have to do /bye. Now we have exited out of OLLAMA, and now what we can do is we need to build that model file. So in order to build the model file, this is the command that we need to follow. So what we have to do is we have to do OLLAMA create. So OLLAMA OLLAMA create, and the name of our model file. So let's say English to Hindi, ENGLIS. Let's say Hindi translator. It's a NDI Hindi. SLATOR Hindi translator. This is the name of our model file, and then -f and /model file. But remember, you need to go to the location of your model file before. So if I do ls, then I am already in that location where my model file is there. So this is the one that I have created from the VS Code. So I'm going to repeat the instruction again here. So OLLAMA create in the translator, and then -f and /model model file. So it says success, means it has successfully created our model file. Now what we can do is we can directly run our model file. So in order to run that, we have to do OLLAMA run, and the name that we have given to our model file, Hindi translator, TRANSLATOR translator. So it has started running. So now this we have run our model file, and the job of this model file is only to translate English language into Hindi, and it doesn't do anything more than that. So it is tailored to our specific need. So let me ask question. Hello, how are you? Now it takes some time to give us the response, but as per our instruction that is provided in the system command here, it should translate this sentence into Hindi. So as you can see, it has started translating the content, the English question or the English language into the Hindi. So the translation may not be accurate. So this is an open source model, but if you want to make your translation more accurate, then you can always fine tune this OLLAMA or any other open source large language model to our specific need. But now, based on our system instruction, so this Hindi translator, we can consider this as our own model that can act as a language translator. So if you want to do any other thing, let's change the system here and then try something other. So let's say you are expert in converting in generating SQL queries. So generate SQL queries based on my question. So let's say this is our new system prompt system, and then now let's build our model file. So let's press Ctrl C to stop this and then do /by, and then since we are already in the location where our model file is, and we can just run this command OLLAMA. Okay, this is the command to run, but we have to create our model file, our model based on the model file. So let's say SQL query generator, query generator generator. So now we have changed our system, and then we have generated the new model based on our model file. Now what we can do is we can do OLLAMA run our new model name query generator generator. Now we can ask any questions and it will only give you the SQL output. Give me all students, students, students from table. So it has given us the response. So in this way we can use OLLAMA, and we can create the model file tailored to our specific need. And not only llama 2, in this case I am only running llama 2 because I have already downloaded it, but we can download any large language models which are open source and easily run in our PC. So remember, you can look into the size of this large language model. So llama 2 has 3.8 GB. So if you want to run Gemma or Gamma, then the size would be 4.8 GB, and it will take some time to download and to get up and running. So in this video, this is all guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe and comment. Thank you.